While you sleep tonight, your body will rest, your phone will charge, the world will keep moving. But for most people, their money will do absolutely nothing. A few people wake up richer not because they worked harder, but because their money never stopped working. This video is about that hidden system. Money is either a lazy servant or a powerful employee, and the truth is, if you don't give it a job, it sleeps forever. In the next few minutes, you'll understand how money can earn without your presence, why the rich don't trade hours for income, and how you can start building systems that make money work for you even when your eyes are closed. Most people believe money only comes from hard work. You wake up, you work, you get paid, and the cycle repeats. The problem is, the moment you stop working, the money stops coming. That means your income is fragile, completely dependent on your time and energy. This is why most people's money never works for them. They earn it, spend it, maybe save a little, but they never turn it into something productive. Savings feel safe, but inflation quietly eats their value every single year. Money sitting in a bank account is not resting, it is slowly dying. Fear also plays a major role. People are scared of losing money, so they never learn how to grow it. Schools teach how to earn, not how to build assets. Society rewards being busy, not being smart. Rich people understand a simple truth early on. Income is temporary, ownership is permanent. They focus on buying things that produce cash again and again. Poor and middle-class thinking is about survival, paying bills, and short-term comfort. Wealth thinking is about leverage, systems, and long-term growth. Until you change how you see money, it will never work for you. It will always wait for you to work first. There are two ways money enters your life. The first is active income. This is when you trade your time for money. Jobs, freelancing, overtime, and daily labor all fall into this category. Active income is important, but it has a hard limit. You only have 24 hours in a day. No matter how talented or hardworking you are, you cannot work beyond a certain point. Passive income works differently. It is money earned from systems you build once, but that continue to pay you over time. This does not mean zero effort. It means effort is done up front instead of daily. Passive income includes investments, digital products, automated businesses, and assets that generate cash flow. The rich do not hate working, they just hate working for money forever. They use active income to build passive income. The poor rely only on active income and then wonder why freedom never arrives. The real goal is not to quit working, but to stop being trapped by work. When passive income starts covering your basic needs, your life changes. You sleep differently, you think differently, you make decisions based on growth, not fear. That is when money starts working for you, even when you are not present. Compounding is the most powerful force in wealth creation, yet most people ignore it because it looks slow in the beginning. Compounding means money earns returns, and then those returns start earning returns of their own. At first, progress feels invisible. Small amounts do not excite people, so they give up early. But compounding rewards patience, not speed. Time is the secret ingredient. Someone who invests small amounts consistently for many years often beats someone who invests large amounts for a short time. This is why starting early matters more than starting big. Compounding works like planting a tree. For years you see almost nothing, but underground the roots are growing strong. One day, growth becomes obvious and unstoppable. The tragedy is that most people start too late because they wait for the perfect moment or more money. Wealthy people start imperfectly but early. They let time do the heavy lifting. While they sleep, their money is multiplying quietly. Compounding does not care about your background, education, or luck. It only cares about consistency and time. If you understand compounding, you stop chasing quick wins and start building real wealth. Money does not work by magic, it works through systems. A system is something that produces results without constant attention. Investments are systems. Dividend-paying stocks and funds generate income whether you are awake or asleep. Digital assets are systems. A YouTube video, a blog post, or an online course can earn money years after it is created. Businesses with automation are systems. Once processes are set, they can run with minimal involvement. Real estate can also be a system when managed correctly. The key idea is leverage. You use money, technology, or people to multiply your efforts. Rich people build systems that do not depend on their daily presence. Poor people become the system themselves. They must show up every day or income stops. Building systems requires learning, patience, and discipline. It is uncomfortable at first because rewards are delayed. But once systems are running, life changes. You gain time, freedom, and options. Your sleep becomes productive. Your absence no longer equals loss. This is how money truly works while you sleep, through well-designed systems that keep running even when you don't. The final and most important shift is mental. A worker mindset focuses on salary, job security, and monthly income. An owner mindset focuses on assets, cash flow, and long-term value. Workers ask, how much do I earn per month? Owners ask, how much does this asset earn every year? Workers spend first and save what is left. Owners invest first and spend what remains. This shift changes everything. You stop buying things that look rich and start buying things that make you rich. You delay pleasure to buy freedom. You stop chasing lifestyle and start chasing leverage. Ownership gives control, and control gives peace. When you own assets, your future becomes predictable. You are no longer one paycheck away from stress. The goal is not to be busy, but to be free. If your money works while you sleep, your life works while you wake. If it doesn't, you will work for money forever. The choice is not about talent or luck. It is about mindset and action, starting today. Tonight, you will sleep. That is guaranteed. The only question is whether your money will sleep with you or work for you. Most people spend their entire lives chasing income, running faster every year, only to end up tired and stuck. Wealth is not built by working more hours. It is built by building systems that don't need you every hour. When your money starts working, your fear reduces, your choices expand, and your future becomes lighter. You don't need to be rich to start, but you must start to ever become rich. Even small actions, done consistently, can wake your money up over time. Stop asking how much you can earn today. Start asking what will pay you tomorrow, next year, and 10 years from now. Because in the end, freedom does not come from money itself. It comes from what your money is doing while you sleep. Wake your money up, and one day you won't have to wake up to worry ever again.